Hi guys, back on Bitcoin Spinner. The admin has contacted me and asked me to do a video explaining how the withdrawal system works because a lot of people are confused by the use of FaucetHub. Now, obviously we all know that transaction fees are a pain in the ass with Bitcoin, and you don't want to transfer one Satoshi because there's no point. You don't even really want to transfer 10,000 Satoshi. You want to wait till you've got millions of Satoshi and then transfer that so you don't get hit by a crazy transaction fee, which basically renders your transaction, pointless. So Bitcoin Spinner uses FaucetHub. Now I'll walk you through how it uses FaucetHub. When you first come on this page, actually, bear with me a second. I will contact the admin because I've got them on Skype to basically remove my data. So I can walk you through step by step as if you were brand new to the site. So I'm just going to pause this, contact him, and get it done. All right, yep, that was nice and quick. Let's just refresh this page, and hopefully we should see that this is gone. My address here is gone. Yep, cool. That was nice and quick. Okay, so when you first hit the withdraw page, it's going to look like this. You're going to have an amount of Satoshi, not necessarily that much, and this is going to be blank. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to link that through FaucetHub. First, we've got to go to the edit in profile. So it's going to bring me to my profile page. So unfortunately, my internet is a little bit slow today, so bear with me. So we're going to want to click on the Bitcoin tab, and this is blank, obviously. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to register a Bitcoin address through FaucetHub. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to FaucetHub where you can create an account. I already have an account, so here's my account here. And you want to link a Bitcoin address to FaucetHub. So you do that in the Wallet Addresses tab. So you just stick an address in here and then link the address after you select Bitcoin, obviously if it's a Bitcoin wallet. I've already done that, so here's my address I'm going to be using. Let's link to this account. Now I'll take this address from FaucetHub, stick it onto a Bitcoin Spinner, and then update my address. Good job, address updated. Cool. Now my address on Bitcoin Spinner is linked to FaucetHub. So I can go back to withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw 50 Satoshi, let's just say, because I can. So 50 Satoshi, withdraw that. There we go, done. Right, now let's go back to FaucetHub just to show you that the withdrawal worked. So there it is right there. That's the one I've just done, just now. So what that done, oh my gosh, my tongue. What that has done is transferred 50 Satoshi from my account on Bitcoin Spinner to my FaucetHub account, okay? Now, like I said before, 50 Satoshi, a tiny amount of Satoshi, there's no point transferring that to an actual wallet. It's just, the transaction fees will kill you. So what you do is you use FaucetHub to slowly pool in all of the withdrawals from all the various Bitcoin faucets that you're using until you end up with this amount at like 1 million Satoshi. When you've got it to an amount that you're happy with, you can then withdraw your balance. Okay, and all you do is select the account and then put the amount in. I wouldn't do it with this little. I'd put in, say, like 1 million Satoshi, and then I would submit a withdrawal request. Okay, so what happens then is the Bitcoin in your FaucetHub account, which no longer has anything to do with Bitcoin Spinner, that gets transferred to your wallet. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'll just do a quick repeat of the key points here. So first you need to do is click on the profile, click on profile. That'll take you to the profile page. From there you have a link to create a FaucetHub account. In your FaucetHub account you need to add your real Bitcoin wallet address. So it could be like your Electrum wallet, whatever wallet you're using. Link it, then copy and paste it from down here into your profile. Once you've updated your profile, it will appear on the withdraw page. Then you can put your amount in, withdraw, and then you can just go onto here and just double check. So your withdrawal's gone through. and then that will credit your Bitcoin here in this FaucetHub account. When you're happy with the amount in FaucetHub, that is where you withdraw to a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, nice and simple. There's a few steps there. Watch this video a few times if you want to get your head around it. It's really simple. But one key thing to note is the Bitcoin you withdraw from Bitcoin Spinner does not go to your Bitcoin account. It goes to FaucetHub. Okay? I know I've repeated that many times, but people are so confused by this. I really hope that helps, and I think the video is going to get posted on this page, this withdrawals page somewhere, to help people out. So hope that helps, guys. Cheers, bye.